The IRS is stepping up its game with artificial intelligence. But is this a win for tax compliance or a cause for concern? Let's break it down. Thanks to funding from the Inflation Reduction Act, the IRS is now using AI to detect tax avoidance in areas like large corporations, partnerships, and employment tax returns. AI can help the IRS focus on the right cases and ask smarter questions. The IRS plans to expand enforcement through AI-driven audits. But some experts worry. Will AI prioritize enforcement at all costs? We don't know yet how this will play out, but one thing is clear, AI is changing tax audits. What do you think? Will AI make audits more efficient, or will it create more problems? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and we'll see you next time.